now move on to the next contest of today's event. It is a boxing contest consisting of 3 2-minute rounds. So let's welcome first, boxing out of the blue corner, Dave HODGEKISS.
As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize there's nothing left. Cause I've been blasting and laughing so long that even my mama thinks that my mind is gone. But I ain't never crossed a man that didn't deserve it. Me be treated like a punk, you know that's unheard of. You better watch how you're talking and where you're walking, or you and your homies might be lying in chalk. I really hate the trip, but I gotta know. As they croak, I see myself in the pistol smoke. Fool, I'm the kind of G the little homies wanna be like, on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light.
And his opponent in the red corner, Sam Barber.
Demon just got out of can. I gave my bro an advance. Love is just not in my plans. Not even taking a chance. Studio right in my yacht. I'm doing 10 in a week. How long I been on the street? Dream about work in my sleep. Okay, I got a lock on the streets.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a boxing contest that will consist of 3 2-minute rounds. So let's welcome one more time in the blue corner, boxing out of Bridge North, Dave HODGEKISS. And his opponent in the red corner, boxing out of UFA, Sam Barber. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for both of these boxers. The referee stopped this contest in the very first round. To your winner, in the red corner, Sam Barber. And a big round of applause, please, to his opponent, Dave HODGEKISS.